And a plea has been filed in the Supreme Court to continue the ban on the sale of crackers in Delhi and NCR region. This plea has been filed by lawyers of few toddlers. To remind you here, the ban on sale of crackers in Delhi and NCR will be revoked on the 1st of November as per top court's directive. Right, another plea has been filed in the court by a group of lawyers who have, in fact, a few toddlers there. They state that the ban should continue on sale of crackers in Delhi and NCR region. To remind you, the sale of crackers in Delhi and the NCR region will be revoked on the 1st of November as per the top court's directive. Earlier, just a week before Diwali, the Supreme Court, in fact, had imposed a blanket ban on sale of firecrackers, which had caused a lot of controversy there, a lot of turmoil amongst the firecracker sellers as well as political parties, giving it a political color there. At this point in time, in a few days from now, the ban is going to be revoked on the 1st of November. But another plea has now been filed from a group of lawyers who have toddlers there, stating that this ban should continue. Meenakshi joins us over the phone line now. Meenakshi, this demand, this plea that has been filed by a group of lawyers there on behalf of this toddlers, they say that the cracker ban should continue post 1st of November. On what grounds has this been filed?
That's right, and this is also going to be interesting because the Honorable Chief Justice of India will take a call whether indeed this particular plea should be heard on urgent basis at the earliest or not. And the reasons are really not very difficult to comprehend, because given the fact that Delhi at the onset of each winter sees this smog hovering around in the atmosphere is a known factor. But also what is very interesting is this is a season of weddings perhaps that will go on to happen, and also that there are several traders who have the stockpile of crackers which allegedly they had stocked on ahead of Diwali, which they were not allowed to sell because of the Supreme Court's interim directions. So they would be also looking to perhaps dispose of some of their goods. But that apart, the predominant argument that's being made is that the air quality levels in Delhi is already in a very poor shape. The condition of atmosphere in Delhi is near serious or grave already as it is. Therefore, the relaxation order of the Supreme Court, if it is allowed to set in on the 1st of November, would only go ahead and exacerbate the situation furthermore. And therefore, the petitioners feel that it will be in the interest of the public at large that if indeed the Supreme Court goes ahead and continues to allow the cracker ban to stay in place.
Help us understand, Meenakshi, the fact that the firecracker sale is at its peak only during Diwali and its surrounding festivals. Why is it that a ban is being asked to continue, considering there is no major festivals that involve, the bursting of firecrackers? In that context, on what grounds have they asked for this cracker ban to continue?
Well, perhaps so. That can be an argument that can be made out. But the atmospheric levels, the pollution levels in Delhi is already at an alarming level. This is the onset of winters, which sees the particulate matter stay suspended in the atmosphere furthermore. That is a predominant concern. And you'll recall, Mirana viewers will recall, that it is so grave that even the Delhi government is thinking or contemplating of reintroducing the odd-even scheme in order to control the damage to the pollution, to the atmospheric levels that already exist as a result of pollution or crops being burned in neighboring states. Any of these factors have contributed to the air quality level in Delhi being in a very poor quality as we speak. In that backdrop, allowing for the crackers to be introduced, the petitioners feel could deplete the air quality level furthermore.
Meenakshi Bhanjamai, thanks for getting us those details on that.